Oh no, get too close. Hey, come on inside. Tell him, man, step on them boys. Hey.
That's it.